Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
YouTube, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy John at LSX, finally back in Vegas, and it's time to continue with the project Nnbs truck. We got a lot of upgrades coming up, so keep watching the video. ¿Qué rollo, Chiclín? ¿Te perdiste, mijo?
Mijo, pues tú te querías pelar Baltasar para Colorado, mi rey. ¿Yo qué puedo
No,
hacer?
pues sí, mi rey. Tenía un show allá y pues fuga para Colorado.
Pero pues ahora sí a chambear a la verga.
What we doing today?
Pues aquí nomás, un Street Concepts hood. Aquí nomás de los compadres.
Simon, shout out to my primo Street Concept for the hood, for the Nnbs and the SS2 wing. We are going to be installing these items today. Aquí está el compa, el Slim Jim.
Por el compadre Jerry.
El que quebra los oil pans, ¿no?
El hood is next.
Hell no. Es su madre.
We also got those surprise package right here.
We got two packages also for the project Nnbs right here. We're going to be installing both of them, so keep watching. A lot of goodies, and shout out to a company. You guys already know who they are. I'll announce them in a little bit. But like I mentioned, we're going to get started on the project Nnbs. We got to remove the stock hood, the stock wing as well. As you can see, it has this plastic wing. And shout out to my Primo Street Concept for always hooking it up. He went ahead and gave me the hood and the wing for this build as well. As you guys see, I rock all his stuff on all my trucks. We got it on my crew cab right here. On the burnout truck, complete SS kit, wing and hood. And this one has just the hood. I didn't put a wing just yet. And then also on the SEMA build, we're gonna be getting some Street Concept parts as well. So stay tuned for that. But enough talking, let's get right into it because we have a lot of upgrades coming up for the project Nnbs. Only thing we need, you guys, to remove the hood is 13 and the 10, and the hood comes off. Aquí tenemos mi compa Chiquilín. Mijo, como que viniste listo para trabajar ahora, ¿no?
Pues siempre ando, Chiquilín. Siempre ando.
No, 13, Johan. Ya andas mal, Johan. No, 13 right here.
Anda norteado, mi rey.
Enséñale. And then you gotta grab the hood right here through the back, or else it's gonna...
Se te va
a ir para atrás. No, hombre, loco. Los cut de este año como que no. Los cut. Méteselo bien, mijo. Anda bailando el 13. And on the top one, you gotta grab from the back or it's gonna go straight and crush the shit up. Yep, así mismo, today. No, hombre, loco, andas mal. Just like that, the boys got it out. Batalló el compa Slim Jim, pero fuck it. Aquí lo enseñamos. Now let's go ahead and install the new hood from Street Concept. HD hood, Vortex Max, V something. I forgot the name of this one.
This is the V2, no?
The V HD Vortex V Max hood. Yeah, there you go. Ya le tiene. And if you guys didn't know, I was the first one that got it for the Cat Eye. That hood that's actually on the Cat Eye was a prototype for the Cat Eye. Yep. And then back then they used to call that the YouTuber hood because all the YouTubers had it. My boy Kelvin had it. I had it. A whole bunch of people had that hood. And now that hood is popping like the Z01. Everybody wants that hood. And now we have it right here for the Nnbs. Let's go ahead and install it. A ver, Johan, si puedes, mijo, te ayudo. Anda desnutrido, ¿no, mijo? All right, let's go ahead and close it. Close it slowly, though. Chulada, look at that.
My nigga.
Little painter's touch.
HD grill and the HD bumper. Ya cambia ahí todo el pedo. Look at that. Looks good. We just have to line it up. We just throw it on there just for the video. We still have to do the adjustments, do the body work and paint. Yeah, so far it's looking good. Up next, what we got to do is that wing. I think it's held on by some Torx bit. Simon way, like a T25 or T20. And we're gonna go ahead and install the Street Concept SS2 wing up next. We went ahead and just slapped on the wing just like that. We still got to make the holes and put the hardware back. So far it's looking clean. I'm not gonna do the corners. I'm gonna just do this truck, just the wing itself. What do you think? Huh? Ya le está dando un nuevo look a la Nnbs. What you think, Chiquilín? Porque el otro se quedó medio...
Medio, ahí te la ayunó, pero pues ni modo. Ahí lo bueno que pues hay reparación, hay arreglos para todo menos la muerte.
Y
¿sí
sí.
o no?
What you think about it though?
Pues vergas, por eso me llamo tartamudo, hijo de la verga. Y tú ahí no andas sentado, vergas, ¿qué has hecho? Míralo.
El compa just came to kick it, ¿no?
Pues ya sabes, güey.
Ah, pues está cabrón.
If you wanna kick it, at least hay unas chelas.
Algo para pistear, ¿no? Trabajar y pistear a gusto. But what you think about the wing though?
Pues ya quedó el $1.5 million, plebe. La neta, esta madre está bien pipiris nice. Ya va cambiando el look de la troca, no sé ustedes.
All right, now it's time to move on to those two boxes. Which one should it do, the big box or the small box?
Bigger.
What did
Bigger?
he say?
Now it's time to move on to the next items. We're gonna start with the big box first, because that's what the chalanes said. You said big box, no, Johan?
Pues es lo que le gusta, ¿no? Le gusta lo que le mirando.
Like some big things, go ahead and open it up. No te vas a cortar los de luces, mijo, eh? We ran out of band-aids here. Yes, sir. Check it out. What's in here? Sheesh. Shout out to Evo Energy once again for always coming through with all the parts. I went ahead and sent us a colder intake for the Project Nnbs. So up next, what we got to do is install it, mock it all up, take everything out. Comes with a, what is this, like an ice box? Yeah. The shield, instruction manuals. So if you guys don't know how to install it, it does come with instruction manuals as well. Check it out, Kohler intake, 09 to 13. All the clamps, rubber things, and all that good stuff. And last but not least, a little dust cover that goes on top. And it also comes with a Evo Energy intake badge. Chulada, check it out.
Oh.
Nice.
And also, doesn't that dust cover also work as a water socket for you people that end up fucking doing custom intakes that are more in the bottom, like the para que no se le entra agua, pues también.
Yep.
I think it also works as
The
like
couplers
like
as well. Couplers right here. And then we can't forget the important part, the intake tube. Look at that. Nicely welded all the way around. ¿Qué opinas, güey?
No,
You like it?
Esta madre sí va a tener un chingo de flujo de aire. O sea, mira la pinche pipa, güey.
Y sí.
Esa madre ya está, mira.
Let's go ahead and open the hood. Check it out. We have the before right here. The plastic, the air box, the sensor, all that good stuff. And then right here we have the new stuff that Evo Energy sends over. So all we have to do now is just install it, swap it in there, and then open that last box. So let's get right into this. So the first thing we gotta do is make and install the air box. It's gonna sit somewhere around this area, and then the rest of the parts is pretty much plug and play. Coupler on this end, and it bolts up. So the first thing, like I mentioned, is we gotta make this thing right here and place it right here. And then as soon as that's done, we could do the remaining steps. Hombre, loco. Their colder intake is so easy that you need 2 guys to do it.
No, you need 3 Mexicans.
No. So all you gotta do is just put the hardwares on 1, 2, and 3 for the ice box or the cold box, whatever you guys want to call it. And it goes right here. And then the filter goes right in it. We got the coupler, and then after the coupler is the intake tube with this one right here. And of course, Evo Energy offers all the hardware to install it, so it's gonna be pretty easy. Slowly but surely, the Project Nnbs is coming out cherry. We have the air box all finally made. 1, 2, and 3, that's the hardware. And then the only thing you need to do is to install it onto your vehicle is 110 right there, this one, that one, and then the 13 right here. 13 goes on this tab. the 210s at the bottom, 1 and 2. And then we can start installing the tube and the filter. And that's how you install the Evo Energy cold air intake. We're gonna go ahead and do that and then pick up the camera once everything's nicely installed. There she is, boys, nicely installed, cold air intake. We have the PVC pipe going straight to the valve cover as well. I just gotta go out and buy a different mass airflow sensor because the one that we have, unfortunately, is not gonna work. But I'm just gonna plug it up like that for now, just so we could, you know, run it and it turns on. You see, no? Like cut it off or something? Nah, I'd rather just buy the one KS and call it a day. But here she is, like I said, nicely installed. Not going anywhere. Ojalá que no se caiga en el freeway porque aquí tuve mis compas de ayudantes.
Chalán, ¿cómo que hay tanta desconfianza en my work, güey? Todo está A1 dejado.
A1 quality, no?
Más o menos, chiquilín, más o menos. Güey.
So now it's time to move to the last and final box. Let's go ahead and do a little B-roll. Check it out, you guys. Evo Energy came through once again. They sent me some tail lights for the project Nnbs. What comes inside of the box is the hardware brackets if needed, some zip ties, and always little instruction manuals. So this little hardware and stuff is for this little ballast or this resistor. Check it out. And right here we have some black tinted smoked out tail lights. I'm gonna give you guys the before. Check out the before. And right here we have the after. So the only thing you got to do to install these is literally just disconnect or take off these two Phillips on both sides. Phillips right here on top, one at the bottom, and like I mentioned, one on top, one at the bottom.
Y luego para la raza ahí que anda, le anda ayudando. Es que lo iba a barrer, chiquilines. O sea, yo miré que lo andaba barriendo, más que le quiero agarrar la verga. O sea, y así que se la detengo cuando anda meando y que no sé qué. Pero mira.
There you go. We have the old one right here. Save it just in case somebody hits us or something. We have a replacement. And then right here we have the after, which is this side. Oh, I had it the right way. Right here, the before and after, same deal. The only thing you got to do, this one is plug and play, but I think this one connects straight to the junction box on the bottom of the bed. So we got to cut that zip tie. I don't think we're no longer using that harness anymore, so we got to take it off and plug in this one to the junction box, do the little mounting brackets, and then plug and play.
Get a load of this fucking guy, huh?
What you doing under there, chiquilín? We need, this is the perfect job for Slim Jim 3000 right here, güey. El cabe sin rolly sin nada, güey. No, pues está cabrón así.
What did he say?
No te vas a atorar, mijo. Gotta keep the chalanes hydrated porque si no se me desvelan y aquí se quedan porque aquí está mi compa tatarmudo. Ya se anda medio desmayando. So we had to get him out of the truck. And up next we have Slim Jim 3000 que ahí cabe. Nomás que no se quiere ensuciar porque dice que esa camisa le cuesta like $300. Finally installed. Big shout out to Johan and El Compa Tatarmulo. Yes, they're on. You can barely see them because it is bright as hell outside here in Vegas. But there she is. We installed the wing from Street Concept, the hood from Street Concept, tail lights from Evo Energy, and the cold air intake from also Evo Energy as well. You guys want any of the parts used in this video, they'll be posted down in the description. Make sure to check it out. My boy Johan's gonna open the hood so we can check out that cold air intake. Chulada.
This was done by professionals.
And he was crying.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
Sentimental day. His Chihuahua got ran over. We have more upgrades coming up. We got an HD grill, HD bumper, complete bodywork and paint, maybe a sunroof, interior, and then sound system, new motor and transmission coming up. All that good stuff. And yes, si quema la mamalona. Non-posi, but lo bueno que hay feria para un posi ahí. Well, you guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Like I mentioned to you guys, we installed the hood, the wing. Yes, I do have the corners for the wing, but I just did not decided to mold them in this video because we still got to do the video for bodywork and paint. Kohler intake and tail lights from Evo Energy. If you guys want any of their products, my discount code is Johnny. Make sure to use it at checkout, save you a couple bucks. And shout out to Evo Energy and my Primo Street Concept for always supporting me and the channel. That being said, don't forget to hit that like and sub. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.